time for Art Factory, and I'm your host, Miss Marissa. Today is a new month. It's May. You can see some nice summer lemons out and about all around our art table. And I'm so excited for today's art craft because today is May 4th. And for some of you who like Star Wars, you might know that today is Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I know I'm not the only one that likes Star Wars. Our special host for this month also likes it too. Let me introduce to you Gary, the graduate owl. Hey Gary, looking smart, looking educated. Looks like you just achieved something super huge. You graduated? Guess what? Let me let you in on a secret. I just graduated too. What degree did you get? Whoology? Sounds really official. So I heard that you like Star Wars. You love to watch it when you're done with all of your homework? That is so awesome. Well, I have something really cool planned for us for National Star Wars Day. You're gonna need some paints. I picked some fun bright colors. You're gonna need a paper plate for the plates, a paintbrush or a sponge or anything else you might want to use, and some stencils. I have one that says, "May the 4th be with you," and a cool stormtrooper helmet. Let's see how it's made.
First, what you'll need is a template. We have 2 templates, and what we're going to do is tape the back and place it down so it won't move. Do the same thing with the lettering as well. Now it's time for the paint. Go ahead and use your paintbrush and paint gently over all the lettering and all over the stormtrooper. No matter how it's done, your art is what makes it special. Have fun and put it everywhere so all of it is covered. The very last step is very simple. Go ahead and remove both templates gently so that you can see what you painted underneath.
Oh my gosh, this picture turned out so awesome. It's out of this world. I think it looks amazing. It's an awesome colorful stormtrooper. Let's show Gary. Hey Gary, what do you think? You'd hang that up in your dorm room? That's pretty awesome. Well guys, I hope you have a lot of fun making this super cool art project. The even more awesome thing is that you can take your stencil and glue it onto another piece of paper and boom, 2 for 1 craft. Well, that's all I have for you today. Until then, see you next time and may the Force be with you always.